In 2016, global climate change is a more urgent and prominent topic than ever. Our carbon dioxide emissions have heavily increased, especially since the 1970s. The burning of fossil fuels, emission from transportation and agriculture threaten the environment. Professor of Science and Technology Policy Andrew Sterling explains why especially farming and the meat industry encourage climate change.
Ruminant animals like cattle will release methane, which is it's a particularly strong climate change forcing gas, but also the consumption of energy as a result of agricultural production results in carbon emissions in the form of carbon dioxide from using energy. So there's a whole bunch of other things as well. It's also about the footprint that humanity leaves on the planet, in that basically, as a rule of thumb, you can produce enough food for a person massively more efficiently in land use or inputs and outputs terms by just the people just eating the plant material directly.
The public awareness on environmental pollution is increasingly growing. Eye-opening campaigns and documentaries such as Leonardo DiCaprio's Before the Flood or Cowspiracy aim to further educate the people, and sustainable lifestyles such as vegetarianism or veganism are booming as a result. Especially Brighton caters an abundance of vegan and vegetarian options. Vegan activist Daniel Doherty explains his reasons of adopting a vegan lifestyle.
The burning of fossil fuels and deforestation and modern-day animal agriculture is hugely destructive. Raising animals for food requires massive amounts of energy, massive amounts of land, food, water, and all of these resources could be used in a far more productive manner. If folk just switch to a vegan diet, then it's going to kind of eliminate a big part of that.
But is going meat-free enough to fight climate change?
So that doesn't mean you have to be a vegetarian, it doesn't mean to eat less meat. But in order culturally to try to, the only way of making these things happen is to affect culture. To have people who are vegetarians will help to shift this cultural structure under which people think it's high status to eat more meat.
Climate change is a complex issue that stems out of a history of treating our planet irresponsibly. Changing our attitude and lifestyle is a crucial step towards a greener planet. This is Theresa Rappold for SUS News.